Welcome back to Paulo's channel. Today we're doing horror stories about the virus. Corona stories. Dun dun dun!
What's going on, guys? Look what I got. Quarantine ready, boys. Let's go.
How much you buy that for?
$300.
300. I think it said 350.
No, 300 after modifications. Oh! Did you record that? That was dope. Okay, so how much did that clear?
That cleared a pretty decent amount.
All right, Thorson, get under that shit.
All right, let's see if this can clear Thorson.
This is the real Corona story.
Thorson, get close.
Oh shit!
Oh, it scraped my hand. Good thing I was covering my balls.
Check it out. I'm essential. Boom, boom, boom.
He still got a job.
Wish I could
Yeah.
say that.
Where's the paper?
I can't reach it.
Every time David comes, he's like, I've only been gone this long, and look what you guys fucked up. Still in the same.
No!
What'd you do with it?
My keys are in the middle. I should have just moved the car, honestly.
Oh, I see. How hard is it to get? Oh. Where's your essential paper?
No! Oh my. Oh, there it goes. No, get it. All right, we're good. Wait, the roof.
Thorson, what are you doing?
I'm preparing. Remember, the fourth phase is cannibalism.
Okay, but why do you have a cooler?
I'm building us a fort. You can never be too safe, okay? This is what the fort is for.
So all this material is for the fort.
Yeah.
What's the deal with that gas can?
I'm implementing a self-destruct feature.
Oh.
I told you can never be too safe. We're good.
All right, Thorson. So how does it work?
So, see, I've got all protection all around me, and if anyone gets within 6 feet, they get a jab.
Oh, bro.
See, and then
Oh. That didn't work.
Okay, so
There we
you're
go.
a
That way is
physicist all of
better.
a sudden? You're a physicist or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, it worked.
Well, look. Actually, this is a good idea. Now I have little contraptions to store weapons. In case.
And food too, no?
Oh, that's true.
Because
That's
you
what the
hide
ice
from the
chest.
freaking Zams. Why would you put your weapons right here in the front where you can't even reach them?
Those aren't weapons. That's an alarm system. Look, I just trigger it. See?
Alarm for who?
I don't know. Anyone else who's hiding. Okay, I haven't figured out all the logistics yet, but I don't see you doing anything to protect yourself. Look around. Nobody's prepared for what's ahead. I've got it all. I've got gloves, and I've got a fortress.
All right, look, I know we're preparing and stuff, but like we don't have to worry about that right now. What if like we just had some fun first, real quick?
What do you mean?
All right, guys, now we're gonna wait and see if we get anybody to actually honk. Hey! So we got our drink.
Cheers, Paulo.
Cheers.
Cheers, that guy across the street.
Oh, he's gonna come again. For the car. Well, that's a guy drink again.
Alright, it's getting weird.
Oh, he's gonna make it again.
Oh, there's another one.
He's doing it again.
Bro, he's coming again. Dude, David, look. Oh man, I love my neighborhood. It's great.
I've got the time.
Yeah, you hear it? I fucked something up, man.
Oh no, bro.
Fuck it, we'll keep on using it until it breaks.